And it's going to be quite an intense storm, not just tonight, but really rising and intensifying through the day tomorrow, all the way through Saturday. Things are really going to get ugly out there. Let's start off live outside where it's already deteriorating. We've got rain heavy in spots we can't even see off the camera. Heavy rain in our vicinity, 44 degrees, east-northeast winds at 8 miles per hour. What's happening here? Why the nor'easter? Two low pressure systems become one. Right now, most of the rainfall from this low pressure system approaching from the west, but we have a developing one off the coast. This becomes our primary low tomorrow, absorbs the energy and moisture from the second low, and we've got ourselves a nor'easter, one that strengthens throughout the day tomorrow, bringing us winds 50, 60, even 70 miles per hour. That is possible, especially east of the city. That's 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. What does it look like hour by hour? Starting off tonight, we've got steady, light to moderate, sometimes heavy rainfall, and then by morning, 6 a.m., steady rainfall still, heaviest east of the city, and some snow well northwest. Watch what happens as we go through the morning hours. The snow starts to overtake as cold air builds on in. So now western Jersey is seeing snow, even down toward the shore. Still raining in the city, points east. By Friday afternoon, more of us getting snow, and now the winds are really pumping up. It is late tomorrow where we see the most intense winds, close to the 6 p.m. hour. At that time, we've got rain for most of us again. After 6 o'clock, the wet weather starts to give way to drier conditions, but the winds are still cranking. Snow is obviously a factor in this storm, but not the biggest factor. Let's break down the numbers for you. 6 to 12 inches well north and northwest of the city, 2 to 5 through the lower Hudson Valley, back through portions of central Jersey, and then a coating to 2 inches of a very slushy mix through the city, down the shore, and east of Long Island there. As far as future rainfall goes, 1 to 3 inches of rainfall is what we expect. So inland flooding absolutely going to happen, especially in those usual spots on the roadways, and coastal flooding. A big concern here. We're looking at coastal flood warnings in effect for Long Island, parts of the city, as well as down the shore. 1 to 3 feet of water during high tide times is what we expect overland. Again, 1 to 3 feet of water overland. Expect closed roadways close to the coast. As far as future wind gusts go, tomorrow morning starting off 30 to 40 miles per hour. By afternoon, 40, 50, even 60 miles per hour. Tomorrow night, they are peaking 40, 50, 60, even 70 miles per hour. Again, tomorrow evening, strongest winds. Winds stay very powerful all the way through Saturday morning. Breaking down your forecast for you now. Not only do we have all that ugly stuff happening tomorrow, temperatures will be starting off in the 40s, dropping into the 30s. Wind chills by tomorrow afternoon will be in the 20s. Saturday, it's 46 degrees. We've got very windy conditions. Coastal flooding still very much a concern, but we're starting to see some sunshine. By Sunday, much prettier out there, much calmer as well, and then it stays that way through the start of the work week.
At least it won't be snow.
Well,
for most of us.
For most of us, there won't be a lot of snow, but many of us can expect a little mixing in for sure.
All right.
Okay, Vanessa, thanks.
You're welcome.